Hey you guys, back with another video. Today I'm making a grilled chicken bowl. I got these grilled chicken. They was out of the strip, so I had to get the fillet and I have to cut them up. I just finished chopping up some tomatoes. And I'm using this 90-second cilantro lime rice. It's really good, you guys. So that's what's going to be the base. I was thinking about adding my black beans, but I don't think I want to do the beans today. And I'm going to steam some corn and put on top of the bowl as well. And as you can see, I have our avocado on deck. I just cut it and split it. Now, I'm going to take the skin off. So how's your day going? Mine is going good so far. Allergy season. So, I just cut off the little brown pieces. So you guys, and I just slice it. Let me get my bowl. Let me rinse off my hand. Okay. Allergy season on deck. I have to go to CVS and get some allergy medication. Put my knife in here, and I'm gonna wash my hand again in this hot water. Soapy. And I'm gonna add just a little of this, you guys, on my avocado. They say you can put this on watermelon. I haven't tried it on watermelon. I do have a personal watermelon. I don't know, you guys. I don't know. So, there's the grilled chicken here cooking. I'm going to turn it over. I put some butter at the bottom of the pan. Look how good that looks. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Okay, smells so good. So, I'm finna put my corn in the microwave. And once this finished cooking, and I will be back, you guys. Hold on for now. Okay, you guys. I took the chicken and I cut it up in strips, added a little bit more butter on there, and I added a little of the ranch seasoning. So now I'm about to microwave this rice, you guys. Okay? And after that, the bowl should be almost ready or something. I don't know if I'm going to add cheese or not. I don't know. Hold on, you guys. Okay, guys. My bowl is all done. Now I'm going to get ready to eat. And I thank you guys for watching. And bye-bye now.